Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. In this video, I'm getting my hair installed, guys. Installed by someone else, actually, I should say, by Elite Units. This video is sponsored by UNice Hair, and they send a 24-inch deep wave, big deep wave lace frontal unit. It's a 13x4, and it is said to be pre-plucked. However, the stylist who is installing my unit, she did go ahead and pre-pluck it. She plucked it and she bleached the knots as well. I sent it to her 2 days before coming for my appointment. I did ask her how she felt about the lace and how well it bleached and stuff like that. And she said the lace was so nice and easy to work with. Like, it wasn't a hassle like bleaching or plucking. And she really liked how everything came out in the end. So that was good. As you guys can see, she did a bald cap on my head in order for everything just to look seamless when she puts the lace down. This particular install was important because I'm getting my hair done for my birthday. I wanted to make sure that everything just looked nice and refined and just looking like it wasn't me who installed it, but somebody else who did it good, you know? So that's why I booked with her, and I'm so glad that I did. But yes, honestly, she did my hair so quickly. The hair was like so easy to work with, especially because as you guys can see by the thumbnail, I ended up crimping the waves. I mean, the waves were beautiful. However, after washing it, after her washing it at the top, at least, it needed to be defined a lot more. And I didn't want to go with like a typical water wet and set definition. I wanted to really take it up a notch and, you know, make the waves a lot deeper by crimping it. So I just suggested that she crimped it, and it came out so nice. It was a lot easier to crimp because there were already waves in there. So, you know, everything just came together, and I was so happy with the install. It lasted me about a week and maybe a couple more days after. I don't normally keep my installs in that long. With the crimps, the looser they got, they still ended up looking really nice. So I was looking cute for about a week and a half, I would say. And it's almost making me think that I don't want to ever install my own units again. I always want to go and sit down and get my hair done because it just looks a lot better. It lasts longer. And, you know, it's like less hassle, less work to do. So I'm definitely considering that. Let me know if you guys want to see more installations done at a salon as opposed to me doing it myself. It also depends too, because it does cost money. So, you know, I might have to kind of just mix it up a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys are gonna see the finished look very shortly. Also check out my Instagram for my photos on my birthday with the finished look. And thank you again, UNice Hair, for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna leave all the details to this unit in the description box below. It does come a little bit longer than what I have right now, so for those of you who love longer hair, check that out. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so I just finished my appointment and my hair is looking like this. I did some crimps in my hair because it was like a loose deep kind of wave, but I love how everything turned out. I'm ready for my birthday. This is my first time getting it installed, and now I'm feeling like, you know, I don't ever want to do my hair myself again, but this is so nice, guys.